2017 Nissan Altima. The Nissan Altima offers advanced features to make life easier, and most of the features come standard. Combine that with the powerful engine, 6 standard airbags, and over 5,000 quality and performance tests, and you'll see the Nissan Altima is made to drive and built to last. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, stability control, traction control, navigation system, remote engine start, power passenger seat, anti-lock braking system, steering wheel audio controls, backup camera, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, keyless start, auto-dimming rear view mirror, aluminum wheels, 4-wheel disc brakes, cruise control, universal garage door opener. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.